Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can join Skype meeting. So that's a fairly simple thing to do. Just open up the Skype mobile app on your phone or tablet or any other mobile device that you have. Then tap at this little camera icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go for the join with link option over here and tap the link that you have been provided with into this little field and tap at the join button. As you can see, here we have like the preview interface, which you can manage like your camera in, your mic in, and after you're ready to join a meeting, just tap at the start now button. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.